Cube is a startup web and mobile app development studio located in Austin, Texas. It was founded by USD graduate Billy Kraft in March of 2014, along with longtime friend and University of Texas graduate Luke Conlin. In September of 2014, the firm hired an additional 2 employees to oversee mobile application development as well as marketing and sales. Cube's current source of revenue revolves around the design and development of websites and mobile applications for private clients, which include businesses as well as individuals. With little overhead and minimal costs, Cube's current business model has allowed the firm to support reasonable growth. However, future growth is at risk for several reasons. First of all, Cube's growth under their current business model relies on the firm's reputation and their ability to acquire more clients. Furthermore, there are many alternatives for customers who want their own websites, especially those who do not require complex features. These threats have led Cube into a point of transition from website and mobile application design and development to the development of what Mr. Kraft calls enterprise software solutions. Say it with me now, enterprise software solutions. What this means is that Cube seeks to design and build programs and applications that serve a specific purpose and that could be sold as a product or licensed to a company. Already, Cube has begun work for a Dallas-based silent auction services company called Auction Source. Cube has been tasked with developing an application for touch bidding instead of the traditional paper bidding system of a silent auction. Cube hopes that other traditional silent auction services companies may be interested in licensing their software. Moving into the space of enterprise software development would allow Cube to scale more effectively because it would allow the firm to license products to multiple customers instead of having one project associated with each client. This is where KIR Consulting comes in. Cube's opportunity for growth is clear to the employees at the firm. The problem lies in how Cube maintains its current source of revenue to fund the development of enterprise software solutions and the overall transition into this business model. The solution that we at KIR Consulting have decided would allow Cube to maintain current operations while simultaneously expanding their offerings is to hire 3 interns. Specifically, we believe that Cube should target recent University of Texas computer science students who are eager for learning experience in web and mobile application development. Under the guidance and supervision of co-founder Luke Conlin, these interns would be trained to maintain current operations of web and mobile application development for private clients. They would also get the chance to develop new projects as new clients are acquired through Cube's marketing and sales employee. This solution would free up time for the 3 quote-unquote senior employees to focus on the development of enterprise software solutions. In order to implement our solution, we recommend that Cube follow a series of actions. First, Cube should survey all current employees to determine several characteristics and skills that they would want in new hires. This process will also allow Mr. Kraft to ensure that all current employees are informed and on board with expansion. This survey could be conducted immediately and at low cost. Second, it will be necessary for Cube to acquire a proper workspace. Currently, Cube employees work from home. In hiring interns, Cube will want one centralized location in order to create an environment where interns can learn and develop projects under supervision. KIR suggests that Cube locate its workspace around West 6th Street, where there is ample space as well as access to in-town activities such as the South by Southwest Festival, where Cube will undoubtedly seek to expand its presence. The leasing of a new workspace will involve research in finding an available location as well as negotiations to determine the cost and terms of the lease. The research process should take place over the month of January, and Cube should aim to be in a new workspace by February 21st of 2015. Throughout the month of March, Cube should begin their search for intern candidates and screen them accordingly. Given the fact that 3 out of 4 current employees are University of Texas graduates, Cube should utilize connections at the university to advertise their open positions. This may include flyers around campus and within computer science buildings on campus. The candidate search and screening process should be concluded by April 1st. New interns should be hired on May 14th to correlate with the end of the spring semester at the University of Texas. Interns would undergo a 1-week training period from May 21st until the 31st, and monitoring of interns would be continuous throughout the summer. Monitoring the interns would mean several things. First, are the interns capable of handling current operations at Cube, and is their ability to develop new projects up to par with Cube standards? Second, does the hiring of interns alleviate pressure from current employees to allow them to focus on the development of enterprise software solutions? We recommend that current employees log the hours they work and on which projects, both before and after the hiring, to determine how effective the new employees are at alleviating senior employees from handling current operations. If all goes according to plan, Cube should be able to fund their expansion into the enterprise software space through the hiring of interns that are capable of maintaining current operations and revenue streams.